Hello, so I just received my decals for my Tundra and I'm happy. Just arrived today, so let's see what's inside. Comes from the States, so really so excited. Put this on. Oh, doesn't need to come out. There you go. Make sure there's nothing in there. Okay. So this one is, oh yeah, there's so many. There. It's from the TVD decals. Oh yeah, that one. Wow. This is for the grills. And then the TRD. TRD one. And like this. Yeah. And oh, that's just a calling card. And then this is for the Max. Wow. Oh. I'm just happy now that I could put them on. There you go. So it's just a matter of putting them on. Okay. See you guys. Thanks for watching, and again, if you're not, please like and subscribe, and if you're not subscribed yet to this channel, subscribe. And I have some more upgrades and then videos for my Tundra. Can't wait to put this on. Thank you again and have a good day. Bye for now. Again, thank you TVD Vinyls Decals for the stuff that I bought from you guys. They are beautiful. So thanks, and guys, you should try this one. It's a good stuff. Thank you. Have a good day.